Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Inventory Unity 2D. First, we will begin by setting up your Unity project, ensuring you have a clean workspace. We'll create a few key folders for organization, like scripts and prefabs. Then, we'll dive into designing the core inventory system, focusing on a flexible structure that can easily manage many different item types. This foundational step is crucial for a robust inventory. Next, let's focus on managing your inventory items effectively. We'll use scriptable objects, which are fantastic for defining item properties like a unique ID, name, and a visual icon. This approach allows for easy creation of hundreds of distinct items without complex code changes. We'll also establish the core logic for adding new items, removing existing ones, and checking how many of a specific item the player currently possesses. Now, let's bring our inventory to life visually by building the user interface. We'll utilize Unity's powerful UI canvas system to design an intuitive layout. This involves creating individual inventory slots, which will visually represent each item with its icon and current quantity. The key is to establish a seamless connection between our back-end inventory manager and the UI, ensuring that any changes to the player's items are immediately reflected on screen. Finally, we'll focus on player interaction and data persistence. We'll implement the logic for players to pick up items they encounter in the game world, adding them directly to their inventory. Crucially, we'll develop a robust saving and loading system, ensuring that all inventory data, including item types and quantities, is safely stored. This allows players to close their game and return later, finding their inventory exactly as they left it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.